Hello tool lovers, and welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing 20 incredible woodworking tools that could completely change the way you work. From clever jigs to precision gadgets and innovative workshop essentials, these tools might make you question your old setup. Stick around, you may discover your next must-have woodworking upgrade.
Bessey KF4 Kantenfix KF Edge Clamp. The Bessey KF4 Kantenfix KF Edge Clamp is a specialized tool designed to make attaching edging strips quick and controlled, even with one-handed operation. Its alloy steel and die-cast zinc construction provide durability, while the non-slip rubber pads protect surfaces during clamping. The ergonomic wooden handle gives a comfortable, secure grip when tightening. The clamp delivers strong, reliable pressure, though some users note it may jam on thicker material or require occasional readjustment. While alternatives like F-clamps with wedges can work in some situations, the KF4 remains a convenient purpose-built choice for precise and efficient edge clamping tasks. Milescraft 1348 DrillMatePRO. The Milescraft 1348 DrillMatePRO is a versatile and heavy-duty portable drill guide that transforms your hand drill into a precision tool, similar to a drill press. Designed for straight and angled drilling in large or awkward workpieces, it features all-metal construction, a 1/2-inch keyed chuck, and infinite angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 60 degrees. With dual springs, an independent depth stop, built-in centering options, and a large handle, it ensures accuracy, control, and repeatable results, making it ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects requiring precision drilling. Woodpeckers. Dual beam SCRIBE. The Woodpeckers number 94 dual beam. SCRIBE is an exceptionally precise, all-in-one layout tool designed for serious woodworkers. Combining 2 independent marking gauges with a built-in square, it allows for highly accurate and repeatable measurements, perfect for hinge mortises, tenon lengths, and shoulder widths. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum with stainless steel components, laser-engraved scales, and hardened steel cutters, this compact 3-inch tool delivers professional accuracy. Each one-time tool comes in a custom foam-lined case, blending precision, durability, and portability for meticulous woodworking projects. Rockler Cabinet Scraper. The Rockler Cabinet Scraper lineup is designed for woodworkers who want smooth, clean surfaces without relying solely on sandpaper. The Rockler 2.5-inch by 6-inch cabinet scraper is made from high-carbon spring steel, providing a sharp burr that produces fine shavings instead of dust while removing mill marks, rough grain, and dried glue. The Rockler Cabinet Scraper set adds versatility with flat, curved, and rounded shapes for different surfaces. For tight areas, the Rockler Detail Scraper offers precise control with 4 rotating cutting edges. To improve comfort and reduce fatigue, the Rockler Cabinet Scraper Holder allows adjustable flex and a secure ergonomic grip. Rear Handle Circular Saw. The RIDGID 18-volt, brushless cordless 7 1/4 inch. Rear handle circular saw R8658K is built for professionals who need power, speed, and durability without the cord. Its brushless motor delivers up to 5,800 RPM, providing cutting performance comparable to high-amp corded saws, while the all-magnesium construction keeps the tool strong yet remarkably lightweight. A 53-degree bevel capacity supports versatile cutting angles, and the electronic blade brake improves safety and efficiency. The left side blade placement enhances visibility during cutting, and the integrated rafter hook adds convenience on the job. Fully compatible with all RIDGID 18-volt batteries, it performs best with max output EXP packs. Keter folding work, Table EX, extendable legs. The Keter folding work table. EX is a portable adjustable workbench designed for job sites, garages, and DIY projects. Its standout feature is the extendable aluminum legs, allowing you to raise the working height from 30.3 to 34.2 inches for better comfort and ergonomics. It sets up in under 30 seconds using a quick opening system, yet remains sturdy enough to support up to 700 pounds. The table includes two 12-inch ratcheting clamps that can be positioned horizontally or vertically to secure materials. Built from durable weather-resistant polypropylene resin, it folds compactly with a built-in handle for easy storage and transport. Woodpeckers Tools Joinery Sled. The Woodpeckers. Joinery Sled is a precision-crafted jig built to deliver flawless, repeatable joinery on both table saws and router tables. With its highly adjustable sliding base and fingertip micro-adjustment lead screw, it allows you to dial in perfect fits with confidence. 4 precision bearings ensure silky smooth travel, while the angle adjustable work table opens possibilities for uncommon joinery cuts. The adaptable miter bar fits securely in both new and worn miter slots, and the clamping table provides strong, flexible material support. Made in the USA, this sled excels at creating half laps, sliding dovetails, bridle joints, castle joints, and more. Kreg Jig R3. The Kreg Jig R3 is a compact portable pocket hole joinery system designed for DIYers and woodworking enthusiasts who want strong, clean joints without complicated setups. It easily adjusts to work with material thicknesses from 1/2 to 1.5 inches, making it versatile for cabinets, furniture repairs, and home projects. The hardened steel drill guides ensure precision and durability, while dual wood chip holes keep drilling smooth and efficient. Its sturdy glass-filled nylon body provides long-lasting performance, and the included clamp pad adapter allows quick attachment to various clamps. Packed neatly in a portable case, the R3 is convenient, reliable, and ready for any project. Wolfcraft Dowelmaster 4640000. The Wolfcraft Dowelmaster 4640000 is a versatile and user-friendly dowel jig designed for precision woodworking. Ideal for edge-to-edge, T-butt, and corner joints, it accommodates boards 12mm to 30mm thick and works with 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm dowel pins. Its ergonomic 2K handle, large supporting surface, and hardened steel drill guide bushes ensure stability and accuracy during use. Visual guides and centering pins simplify alignment, while the adjustable stop enables error-free positioning. Lightweight yet durable, the Dowelmaster is perfect for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and hobbyists seeking precise, professional quality joints in their projects. BESTOOL Portable Moving Dolly. The BESTOOL Portable Moving Dolly is a smart, versatile solution for moving large flat items like doors, panels, and furniture. Its unique adjustable design features 2 detachable sides that can be reconfigured to fit different load sizes. Built with reinforced carbon steel panels and durable polypropylene, it supports up to 230 pounds. Industrial grade 360-degree swivel casters ensure smooth mobility, while EVA anti-slip pads protect surfaces. Compact, portable, and convenient, it's perfect for workshops, homes, and job sites, making heavy lifting safer and easier. KIMO 20 Volt 18 Gauge Cordless. The KIMO 20 Volt 18 Gauge Cordless brad nailer and stapler is a versatile, all-in-one tool, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and home improvement projects. Combining 18-gauge brad nailing and 1/4 inch crown stapling, it offers cordless freedom without the need for compressors or hoses. With dual firing modes, adjustable depth control, tool-free jam release, and an integrated LED light, it ensures precision, safety, and efficiency. Lightweight and portable, it comes in a complete kit with 2 batteries, a charger, fasteners, and a carrying bag, making it ready for immediate use. Jellas 7 Amp Belt Sander with Dust Bag. The Jellas 7 Amp Belt Sander, model BS 750-SD, is a versatile 3x21 inch corded sander designed for both handheld and benchtop use. Its powerful 7 amp motor with variable speed control 120 to 400 RPM handles heavy duty sanding, paint stripping, and polishing tasks with ease. Lightweight yet sturdy at 9.6 pounds, it features a soft grip handle for comfort, a detachable dust bag, and a 2-in-1 vacuum adapter for clean operation. With included sanding belts and C-clamps for stationary use, this sander is ideal for precise woodworking and home projects. MicroMake/MicroLux Power Plane. The MicroLux Power Plane, also known as the MicroMake Power Plane number 15228, is a compact, handheld electric plane engineered for precision woodworking, model making, and intricate craft projects. Its miniature design allows access to tight spaces, while the adjustable front sled provides exact cutting depths. With variable speed control via a separate transformer and motor boost technology, it delivers consistent performance. Equipped with a durable HSS blade, the MicroLux excels at trimming edges, fitting joints, and fine detail work, making it an essential tool for meticulous woodworkers and hobbyists alike. The Morgan Square. Kiwi Vision. The Morgan Square by Kiwi Vision is a carpenter's square that streamlines layout work by combining measuring and marking into one quick motion. Its built-in tab holds a standard tape measure securely, allowing one-handed use that reduces mistakes and speeds up workflow. A centerline mark helps instantly find the middle of a standard stud, while the 1.5-inch interior mark simplifies framing door and window openings. Made from durable aluminum or UV-resistant plastic, it features clear imperial and metric markings for long-term readability. A built-in pencil holder and bright color options add convenience and visibility on any job site. BUCKTOOL Direct Drive Bench Belt and Disc Sander. The BUCKTOOL Direct Drive Bench Belt and Disc Sander is designed for reliable performance and low maintenance, making it a solid addition to woodworking or metalworking shops. Its direct drive motor delivers up to 25% higher efficiency than belt-driven models, providing consistent power with reduced vibration and noise. The dual sanding design allows both belt and disc sanding in one machine, with adjustable work tables and multi-angle sanding for versatility. Cast aluminum or cast iron tables add stability, while dual dust ports help maintain a cleaner workspace. Models range from compact 4x36-inch setups to professional 6x48-inch units with higher horsepower for demanding tasks. Makita SH02 Z12 Volt Max CXT Lithium Dash. The Makita SH02 Z12 Volt Max CXT Lithium Ion 3 3/8 inch circular saw is a compact, efficient tool designed for quick cuts in tight spaces. Part of Makita's CXT series, it uses slide-style batteries that improve balance and handling during extended use. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive cutting performance for tasks like trim work, plywood, MDF, and drywall. The built-in bevel capability adds versatility, allowing angled cuts when needed. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, especially overhead or on ladders. This cordless trim saw is a practical choice for DIY projects, job site touch-ups, and portable woodworking needs. RIDGID 18 volt, brushless cordless, 7 1/4 inch. MicroJig ZEROPLAY 360 Sled Kit. The MicroJig ZEROPLAY 360 Sled Kit is a revolutionary system for building a versatile, precision table saw crosscut sled. Combining adjustable ZEROPLAY miter bars with match-fit dovetail hardware, it allows for 360-degree fence placement and zero slop calibration in standard miter slots. Top-down installation makes setup fast and easy, while included plans guide your build. With unmatched versatility, precision, and safety, this sled handles crosscuts, angle cuts, and custom jig setups, keeping your hands clear of the blade while delivering accurate, repeatable results for any woodworking project. MicroLux Micro Power Sander. The MicroLux Cordless. Micro Power Sander from Micromark is a compact precision tool designed for detail-oriented woodworking, modeling, and crafting projects. Lightweight and ergonomic at just 8.3 ounces, it delivers variable speed reciprocating action, 2,000 to 7,000 strokes per minute, powered by a rechargeable 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery, offering up to 100 minutes of runtime. Its 8 interchangeable sanding tips and 60 peel and stick pads make reaching tight spaces effortless. Ideal for wood, plastic, and metal, this sander combines versatility, convenience, and precision, making it a favorite among hobbyists and miniature crafters for intricate and hard-to-reach sanding tasks. MicroJig Grr-ripper2 Go. The MicroJig Grr-ripper2 Go is a compact grab-and-go push block that prioritizes safety and control on table saws, bandsaws, jointers, and router tables. Featuring MicroJig's signature green GRR rip technology, it provides superior grip and kickback prevention, even on narrow rip cuts as thin as 5/16 of an inch, 8 mm. Pre-assembled and color-coded for easy fence alignment, this versatile tool is perfect for beginners, small workshops, and quick rip tasks, keeping hands safely away from blades while delivering precise, controlled cuts every time. Its compact, multi-purpose design makes it an essential addition to any woodworking setup. Rockler Trim Gauge. The Rockler Trim Gauge is a must-have tool for any woodworker focused on precision and efficiency. Designed to simplify trim installation around doors and windows, it ensures a consistent 3/16 inch reveal while reducing errors and frustration. Its built-in tape measure slots, rare earth magnets, and pre-drilled tack holes allow for accurate measurements and effortless transfer to trim stock. Lightweight, durable, and featuring 45-degree and 90-degree guides, this gauge makes professional quality finish carpentry fast, intuitive, and hassle-free, saving both time and material on every project.